In this video, I want to show you how to contact Walmart's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to a website called pissconsumer.com. And now once you're here, go ahead and click onto their website. This website's great for finding out contact information of hard to reach websites. So from here, what we want to do is click on the search bar and then type in Walmart. And then Walmart will appear, so click onto Walmart. Now scroll down and you'll see reviews about contacts Q&A tab. Click onto contacts, click out of the ad, and now scroll down, and then here you go here. So Walmart phone numbers and emails, toll-free number, which is this number here, or you can just simply click on the call customer service, and you got some more customer service help. So if it's credit card related, you can call that number. If it's money card, you call that number, or you can simply send them a message